Let's say you are trying to upload code into your Arduino, and you have this your software open, and if you click on upload button, it just says failed to upload to Arduino because there is no COM port found. That happens because your Arduino is not connected to your computer. Let's say you have connected your Arduino cable but it still gives this error. That means your computer cannot recognize your Arduino or your ESP or any other device. This happens because you don't have the necessary drivers installed to run Arduino in your computer, and this video is about it, how to install the drivers into your computer, into your Windows PC or any laptop. So to do that, first of all, let's check, do we have a COM port? Let's go to tools, let's go to port, and as you can see, I don't have any port right now in my computer. That means my computer is not connected to Arduino. So first you need to check, do you have your drivers installed in your computer? To check that, you need to go to your browser and write download CH340 driver. These are the drivers that you need for your Arduino. Most Arduino clones have this serial chip, and this chip actually communicates between your computer and Arduino, and you need to install these drivers once in your Windows before you start working on any Arduino project. So to do that, just write this on Google and you can download the drivers from here. I will give you this link in the description, you can find that link. Just click on this button and these drivers will download automatically, and it just takes 1 second. So I have these drivers right now in my screen, as you can see, and if I double click on this button, this is open, and this is the actual Windows where you can install your drivers. Now make sure while installing your driver, your Arduino is connected with your computer. This is the better practice. If your Arduino is connected with your computer and you click on this install button, it will install the drivers. I already have pre-installed these drivers, so it will say the drivers successfully pre-installed in advance. But if you are doing this for first time, you will say install success, and this right here is your method to install the drivers. Sometimes in some Windows you need to install these drivers as well. These are called CP210X driver. These are for ESC devices, and if you want to install those drivers, the method is very same. You can download and install these drivers from here, and this right here is actually the method to add your COM port or add your drivers into your Windows. So now I have my drivers installed. Now you can see I go to tools, and yes, I have my COM port here. I'm going to give you another quick tip as well in this video. Let's say you have multiple COM ports here, you want to identify which one is Arduino. This happens when you have multiple devices connected with your computer. So to do that, let's say I turn my Bluetooth on. Now you will see I have whole lot of COM ports. How do I know COM 10 is actually my Arduino? To do that, I'm going to unplug my Arduino like this. I've unplugged my Arduino. I go to tools, I go to port. Now I have 4 COM ports, 15, 16, 5 and 6. Alright, and make sure you have correct board and processor selected. Now I am going to connect my Arduino again, and then I go to tools, I go to port. Now I have 5 instead of 4. I have 5 COM ports, and this COM 10 is actually my Arduino. This is the method to identify which one is your port, and when this happens, this is all correct, and you have correct board and correct processor connected. I have my Arduino Nano connected with my computer. I click on upload button, and this code should upload now. So this is the method of installing the driver into your computer. Hopefully this video helps you, and if you like such tutorials, if you think these are helpful, do subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.